Aptera accomplished a lot in 2022, and for this video, we decided to talk about a few of them. We'll be taking a look at what Aptera has been doing for the past year, and also what 2023 has in store for them. We'll look at all the deals they managed to get them closer to production, like the deal with CPC Group, Tesla NACS connector, and more. So stay tuned. Hi, this is Echo Electric, and we're all wishing you a happy new year 2023. Here we talk about all things concerning EVs. Remember to like the video. If you're enjoying our content, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay connected. Before we get into the video, I'd like to pass on a special message regarding one of our core team members here at Echo Electric. Lewin is a founding writer and editor here at Echo Electric. He is a sickler and has lost two siblings to this disease. Lewin has battled the dreaded sickle cell disease all his life, and his health keeps deteriorating as the days go by. Despite the severe, debilitating pain episodes, frequent hospitalization, and bed rest recommendations, Lewin still puts up with creating the unique content we put out here. Lewin is indeed a fighter, and the best we can do for him as a team is to help him stay healthy. Lewin's health can be completely restored with a bone marrow transplant and a bilateral hip replacement. So we call on all our audience and fans to donate and see that he gets these surgeries. We'll really wish that he stays healthy. We hope you'll want that too. Please check out his GoFundMe campaign in the description below. Aptera Motors intends to construct up to 10,000 vehicles per year at its new 77,000 square foot Carlsbad production plant. The start of a new year signals the start of a new era for Carlsbad-based Aptera Motors, which intends to begin production of its groundbreaking solar-powered electric vehicles this 2023. The aerodynamic three-wheelers will cost between $25,900 and $50,000 and will be able to go up to 1,000 miles on a single charge, including up to 40 miles of solar-powered driving every day. The SEV's sleek form allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and peak out at 110 miles per hour. As we approach the new year, we reflect on the colossal progress we've made and the unshakable support we've received from our community, said Chris Anthony, Aptera's co-founder and co-CEO. We are closer than we've ever been to bringing Aptera into production, Anthony told the Business Journal this week in an exclusive interview. 2023 will bring manufacturing and continued innovation as we endeavor to meet our ambitious goal of making solar mobility a reality for everyone. Aptera Motors was launched in 2019 by Anthony and co-CEO Steve Fambro. A previous version of the firm was founded in 2005, but was dissolved in 2012. Anthony and Fambro will be concentrating their efforts in 2023 on transitioning their ambitious startup into commercial production mode. The plan is to scale as quickly as possible to full-scale production, beginning with our launch edition Aptera, Anthony said. To help us ramp up our production volume more quickly, our launch edition vehicle will have one unified configuration. Anthony stated that the launch edition's unique features and revolutionary capabilities will be revealed in a live-stream webinar on January 20. While 2023 promises to be a milestone year for Aptera, it was put in motion by a series of critical steps made by the firm last year. Aptera relocated to Carlsbad in early 2022, inside an 80,000 square foot production facility. The business then launched aggressive hiring as it built its supply chain, striking agreements with Singapore-based solar panel supplier Maxon Solar Technologies and a Chinese manufacturer, EVE Energy, to provide the vehicle's lithium-ion batteries. Aptera stated late last year that the car's specialist carbon fiber molded body, inspired by jet fighters and race cars, will be manufactured by Italian firm CPC, located in the heart of the legendary Italian Motor Valley. CPC also manufactures and assembles vehicles for Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, and Maserati. In November, Aptera announced that it will be the first EV manufacturer to integrate the newly available North American Charging Standard, or NACS, previously known as the Tesla connector, into their vehicles. We applaud Tesla for allowing and encouraging the EV industry to utilize its superior technology, Anthony said at the time.
You don't have to take off any cover when you go to charge. And the handle that you're charging with is much, much sleeker. This handle does 250 kilowatts of charging. And you plug it in just like that. To unplug the Tesla charging plug, you just pull it out. That's it. Here's the differences. This or this. This or this.
Aptera also bought Andromeda Interfaces in 2022, which produces human-machine interfaces for EV OEMs, including those for transit, construction, off-road utility, e-motorcycles, and golf carts. Aptera has already received 39,000 pre-order reservations, representing over $1.4 billion in potential revenue, and the business is now selling stock directly to private investors through a new platform called Republic.com, with a minimum investment of $210. This new initiative has already drawn approximately 500 investors and raised an additional $621,000. While our delivery timeline is funding dependent, our goal is to begin production by the end of 2023, Anthony said. Our fundraising strategy is well underway, and we should be seeing the fruits of our labor soon. Once we meet our funding objectives, we will be able to begin production in approximately 9 months. Plans to take the company public, while on the horizon, according to Anthony, are yet to be firmed up. We currently do not have a date for when we will be going public. We're hoping to have a public offering in the next 12 to 18 months concurrent with our start of production. Aptera currently has about 100 employees, and the company is planning to scale to over 200 workers this year in order to meet its production goals. With San Diego, and specifically Carlsbad set to become an SEV epicenter, industry watchers are already speculating about the number of vehicles Aptera could produce in 2023. Once we meet our funding objectives, we will be able to provide a more accurate delivery timeline, Anthony said. We will be stepping into an initial production plan of 10,000 vehicles per year, which will ramp up over time. This strategic approach, Anthony added, keeps the company well capitalized. From there, we aim to expand that output quickly in the same final assembly facility to 20,000 vehicles per year. While the government classifies Aptera as a motorcycle or autocycle, the company said its vehicles will be designed to meet or exceed all the relevant safety standards and features of a passenger car, and that the vast majority of states, including California, currently only require operators to have a regular driver's license to drive an Aptera. Our government relations team is working hard to show the few outlier states that the safety and ease of use of Aptera should allow its operation without a motorcycle license, Anthony said. Anthony said Aptera also continues with its plan to set up micro-factories around the world to produce the vehicles more efficiently and economically. 7 different assembly plants are expected to be in operation by 2028, according to the company's plan. For our initial production ramp, the final assembly will take place in Carlsbad, with the manufacture of other parts and components happening around the world, he added. We have established excellent partnerships and will utilize those relationships to continue the expansion of other final and sub-assemblies for Aptera around the globe. Sometime in 2023, Aptera's highly anticipated 3-wheeler could finally be zipping along the roadway in a lane next to yours. With its tagline, "Driven by the Sun," Anthony and Fambro believe their startup's energy-efficient vehicles are destined to change the future. We're doing the impossible, something no other automakers have been brave enough to do, the company proclaims on its website. We're harnessing the power of the sun to make life off the grid a reality for everyone. So far, 2022 has been a pretty great year for Aptera, and 2023 seems like it will be too. But what do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this coming in the future. And if you feel touched to contribute to Lewin's treatment, don't forget to check out the GoFundMe page in the description below. Thank you, and thanks for watching.